Before you call an HVAC tech, watch this. I'm going to show you how to check and replace your capacitor safely and save yourself hundreds.
Basically, you just need a field piece. You just need a field piece meter. You can find these on YouTube for a lot cheaper. This is just the one that I use at work, but you can find these a lot cheaper on YouTube. And essentially you just need it to have the microfarad option, which is the MFD option. So with that option you should be able to you can easily diagnose and fix your capacitor issues. So these three tools right here could save you hundreds of dollars. Obviously you want to call a professional, but I know times are hard, money's a little bit tight, so sometimes you just gotta fix things on your own. Disclaimer, I am a professional, so try at your own risk. But it is very easy to do, very simple to do, but there's other things that go on in your HVAC system. It's a more complex system, not just changing parts. However, like I said, I know times are a little bit hard, so actually we're gonna take this off. Times are a little bit hard, so anything we could do to save a buck. Okay, so let's go get started. Okay, so first thing you want to do is turn this disconnect off. Most carriers are going to have 5/16. Sometimes you just gotta loosen these up a little bit, but you don't have to take them off all the way. Hold this so it doesn't come all the way down on you. And there you go. Just that to the side. That to the side. So this here is your capacitor, contactor, and since I have a heat pump, this is gonna be my defrost control board. Oh shit. Scared. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do to check if it's bad is you're gonna take off the screws that are right here. So you'll take off this screw and this screw. But first you want to verify before you do anything. You want to verify that there's no power. The way you're gonna do that is you put it on volts. Put your meter on volts. Okay. So put it right there. And then test these two. Should say 0 volts. Test them on the little screw. Test each one to ground. 0 and 0. Okay, so this one's good. So there's no power here anymore. Okay. So again, contactor, capacitor, high voltage, low voltage, defrost control board. So again, on this screwdriver, this here is 1/4 inch. Reach in there, take those little screws off. Take the screws off. Put your screw down, slide this thing off. And this is what's going to tell you what type of capacitor you have. So you have a 45 plus 5 microfarad. So the 45 is your Herms, for your compressor, and the 5 is your capacitance for your fan. So real easy way to take these things off. On the flathead. And first, these store electricity, so you just want to kind of bleed it out. So you just tap on it a little bit like that, and then you can just use your thumb or this, and then just take it off like that, take it off like that, take it off like that, and take it off like that. A good idea is going to be to write down, for example, Herms, comment, and fan. You can write down Herms, write it down or take a picture of it. That way you know which wire goes where, and then you put it back exactly like that. So to test this, you're gonna put your meter on your microfarad option. So microfarads, and then you're gonna test common to Herms. So you get 44.8, that's good. Common to fan, 4.8, that's good.
If either a common to Herms or a common to fan reads 0, replace your capacitor, means it's bad. If both readings are close to their design rating that's found on the label, then the capacitor is still good, and you might have a different issue.
If it reads 0, you got to replace it. So if any of the two read 0, you got to replace it. Just put it back in there. And put it back in there. It helps if it has magnet, but since this one doesn't have magnet, it's just basic tools that you can get for cheap. Make sure the holes are lined up. Ah. Ah. Okay, so now if you check that, you put your wires back where they go. This yellow goes here. Doesn't matter, doesn't really matter where you put it as long as you put it on this terminal for the common. Put either one of these, that doesn't matter. And your fan will go here like that, and then your Herms will go here. You can use these also to take them on or take them off. Let's put them on or take them off. And there you go. Should be it. Make sure everything's tight, it's not loose. And that's it. If you are to forget where these wires go, just follow your schematic diagram. It'll tell you right here. You're gonna find your legend where it says capacitor. It's under cap. Gotta look in here where cap is. This is OFM, which is outdoor fan motor. COMP, which is compressor. and CAP, which is your capacitor. So this is going to tell you right here the H, which is for Herms, has the blue wire, and then the C has the yellow, which is your common yellow, and then your F, which is your fan, is your brown, just in case you forget. So it's also on this side. Yeah, put this back on. Be careful to make sure you don't get any of these wires. Careful with that. Put it on. Put it back on 5/16. Line it up and tighten it. That's it. Turn your power back on. Right there. Sure we good.